Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Kwik. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in kwiktrip.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Kwik. Now from the homepage, click on shop at the top right corner and then you will see the login button. Go ahead and click on login and you will be taken into the login portal. Go ahead and type in the username that you have set up while creating your account within the username box and then type in your account password underneath within the password section. You can then click on the login button and you will be logged into your Kwik account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, click on the lost password button underneath the login box and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on Kwik. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.